Have you ever wanted to create professional UGC ads without hiring influencers? Today, I'll show you a simple AI workflow that lets you create realistic UGC-style product videos for e-commerce, affiliate marketing, dropshipping, SaaS products, and local businesses. Completely free. Here's an example of an AI-generated UGC ad.
Hey everyone! I've recently tried this shampoo and I absolutely love the results. It makes my hair feel smooth, healthy, and fresh. I highly recommend trying it.
And the best part? No camera, no influencer, and no video recording required. First, open ChatGPT. Click on Create Image. Now write a prompt describing the influencer you want. For example, create a realistic female lifestyle influencer holding a shampoo bottle, smiling naturally, high-quality UGC style, smartphone camera look. You can customize the prompt based on your product. If you're promoting men's products, create a male influencer. If it's beauty-related, create a female influencer. Click Generate and wait a few seconds. Your AI influencer image is ready. Once the image is generated, click the Download button. Save the image to your computer. Now open Google Flow. Use the following settings for best results. Next, drag and drop. Your AI influencer image. Your product image. For this example, I'm using a shampoo product, but you can use any product from Amazon, affiliate networks, or your own business. Now write the dialogue you want your AI influencer to speak. Example: Hey everyone! I've recently tried this shampoo and I absolutely love the results. It makes my hair feel smooth, healthy, and fresh. I highly recommend trying it. Make sure to edit the script according to your product. If you're using a male model, update the wording accordingly. You can find the prompt in the video description. Copy the complete prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Click Generate. Within moments, your AI UGC video will be ready.
Hey everyone! I've recently tried this shampoo and I absolutely love the results. It makes my hair feel smooth, healthy, and fresh. I highly recommend trying it.
Look at that! A professional-looking UGC advertisement created entirely with AI. No influencer fees, no video shoot, no editing skills required. That's how you can create professional AI UGC ads for affiliate products, client projects, or your own business completely free. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.